Zhongding Machinery Company Limited is a company specializing in manufacturing and exporting woodworking machine. We will offer the professional and reliable quality woodworking machines to customers. Our company has professional technology, full range of testing lines and pipeline, 4 professional production lines of woodworking machine, the complete sets of CNC processing equipments, and experienced technicians to guarantee high quality. It is located by the beach side of the Yellow Sea and the Jiaozhou Gulf, which is a place of strong competitive power, beautiful natural environment, and easy traffic of air, land, and sea transportation. Our main products are edge banding machine, precise panel saw, multiple drilling machine, hinge boring machine, hydraulic cold press, hot press, wide belt sanding machine, CNC center, CNC router, glue spreading machine, wood planer, which have been exported to lots of countries and regions such as Europe, Russia, Southeast Asia, Middle East, North America, Australia. Our company takes the principle of quality first and customer foremost. We have got CE Security Certificate. We own the complete sales system which provides perfect pre-sale and after-sale services to our customers. Zhongding Machinery looks forward to establishing long-term strategic cooperation relationship with you and offering you high-quality products and perfect service system. We are ready to serve you at Zhongding. We are looking forward to cooperating with you.